Ways to conceive a baby. Have regular, unprotected intercourse during your fertile period. This is the time when an egg is released from the ovary and can be fertilized by sperm. Use ovulation prediction kits to determine when you are most fertile. Try positions that allow for deep penetration, such as the missionary or doggy style, to increase the chances of sperm reaching the egg. Consider using a lubricant during intercourse, as some types can decrease the movement of sperm. Maintain a healthy lifestyle, including eating a balanced diet and exercising regularly, to improve your chances of conception. Talk to your doctor about any underlying medical conditions that may be affecting your fertility. Consider taking prenatal vitamins before trying to conceive, as they can improve the health of both you and your future baby. If you are over 35 or have been trying to conceive for over a year without success, consider seeing a fertility specialist. If you are a man, avoid things that may decrease your sperm count, such as smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and certain medications. If you are a woman, try to track your menstrual cycle and ovulation to become more aware of your fertility window. If you have any concerns about your fertility or difficulty getting pregnant, consider seeking out a specialist for reproductive endocrinology and infertility. Consider alternative fertility treatments, such as in vitro fertilization, IVF, or artificial insemination, if other methods have not been successful. Ways to conceive a baby. Have regular, unprotected